Good guy fight? Please? Okay. My board is like so shit. It's actually insane how garbage my board is. I level because I want options.
I'll do what I can.
I really don't know what to do here. I'm a bit Mex, a bit Murlocs. And a bit stupid. I feel like you want the adaptable barricade. That one is like really good on Deathwing. And yeah, you kind of want to play Mex, I guess, from this position. But then what the hell is the Brim Contact doing? We can buff it a bit more and then just play it straight up. Or maybe we can triple into a 6 and get Corral, and then we can consider Murlocs a bit more. Or maybe we can get the Bran and like buff it legit and get the base guild. I don't know.
Show him that Fire Festival fury. You did it. I knew.
Base guild is good. Lulabot is nice. I don't want to Leroy against beasts.
Time to hire help.
I mean, this seems like the most obvious I'm a Murloc player board ever. Yeah, let's go for the barricade.
That'll pack a punch.
And let's actually play the Lulabot on the barricade. This is fine. How did the desk pad sales go? They were super crazy in the first days. Now they slowed down a bit. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, for the people that don't know, I launched a mouse pad a few days ago. It looks something like this. It's very big. It's very, very big. If you want to check it out, it's in my description. Hashtag ad. Do you think I can die from 23 against Galakron? I feel like this game went horribly and I'm trying to figure out why. I was just a little bit too slow. There was a dead guy in the lobby. But what went wrong? Did I buy the wrong minions? I leveled a little bit weirdly. Like I went 3-4 from 2. Why am I using the mousepad upside down? So that I can show it to the stream easier.
Try on the crown of the Fire Festival once. Pretty fancy.
Yes! Goldie Smile. Thank you for the 2 months. I was surprised he didn't go for the undead. I wasn't offered that many undead. I was offered like one of the free drops guys, and that's it.
Be careful in my shop, alright? Everything is flammable.
Have you paid for your mousepad? I paid for every mousepad. I bought all of them ahead so that when somebody orders one, they can immediately get it. Like the other way I could have done the sale was start the sale, see how many people do a pre-buy or a pre-order, and then produce that many and sell that many. But then you would have to wait 4 months for it. This way you can buy it and like in a week or 2 you get it. Talking about the mousepad, Jaffrey, thank you for buying one. Much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can use the Faceless to go for a 7, but it's probably too risky. I think we stay on 5 and just try to play it rather safe, not too crazy. If that is possible.
You drive a hard bargain.
What does Reef Explorer give me here? I don't have Beast. I have Mech. I have Murloc. I don't have Naga, and I don't have Undead. Is it better than just buying the Skyfin? It's probably better than just buying a shitty Skyfin. Oh, I have Undead.
Fish are friends, not food.
You face me, you face the sea.
Not sure if I even want to see her. I guess you want it.
Sure, I'll hold on.
This lobby is like so weird. I feel like we are more Murlocs than we are mechs, but our hero plays way better with mechs than it plays with Murlocs. It's a really, really weird spot. I'm freezing for Primal Fin. My opponent went to 7, so like at least maybe he's not gonna be turbo. Like maybe I lose, but I don't take 23. That'll be a win. The barricade is actually pretty solid. No cap. Card is really good. Card is like really good, guys. Like the name barricade is actually perfect for the card. Papa Bear plus the Mechano horse is nasty. Can I get that guy fight again? Okay, JJ died.
How are the festivities going?
Because he died, there's no more dead guy fights. Second base. Now you wanna buy legit every single Murloc you see. Glowskill and Manoroth. I do this on Manoroth, right? Pretty trashy board. I'm gonna get 6th again. So this has been happening to me the whole day. 5th, 6th has been my most likely result. I'm strong enough and I play for enough tempo to dodge getting 7-8. But then I also don't win the lobby and I get annihilated as soon as like 1 or 2 players die. I'm trying to figure out why that is the case and what I can do to go a bit deeper. So far I'm doing well playing Pirates, did pretty well playing Quillbore. Maybe I'm buying the wrong minions, the minions that don't put myself in a position to go long. Dude, the barricade is the nuts. Not dead somehow.